Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great Wednesday. Boy, another beauty out there today. A little bit breezy at times out there with some clouds, but boy, all in all, just a beautiful late June day. And looking out our weather window this afternoon, we go up to beautiful Lake Wenatchee, and our tower cam shot up that way. And you can see the camera moving just a little bit there, but still, as I mentioned, all in all, a beautiful day across north central Washington. And as we make our way through the end of the week, pretty much the same weather for both Thursday and Friday. We'll see a mix of clouds and sun both days. It will be a bit breezy both Thursday and Friday. High temperatures here in the Wenatchee Valley, generally around 80 degrees. And then we start to warm up as we get into Saturday. Lots of sunshine, mid 80s. Sunday will be the real start of our heat wave that we expect next week. Sunshine with high temperatures Sunday in the low to mid 90s. And we are looking at 100 beyond that. We'll get to that here a little bit later on. Today's high temperature, not bad out there, 85 degrees. 81 is where we should be for this time of year. All week, our record year has been 1992. It was a scorcher, and today no different, 101 degrees back then. 66 our overnight low this morning, so very mild out there. 57 is where we should be, and 43 our record low set in 1976. Sunrise 5:05 this morning, and it sets tonight at 9:02. Getting you into your Thursday temperatures, and we'll see a bit of a cool down and some breezier conditions tomorrow. Low 80s in the Columbia Basin for Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy, and then a lot of 80s from Ellensburg into Wenatchee, up Highway 97 to Eniat and Chelan. Also Omak up north around 80 degrees, mid to upper 70s then for our upper elevations from Lake Wenatchee into Kashmir. As we look at tonight, we expect partly cloudy skies, mainly because an area of low pressure is off the coast and it's riding up and down the backside of this ridge. So we'll see some clouds out there tonight. Still a little bit breezy and mild with low temperatures tonight, right around 60. For Thursday, mostly cloudy skies. Once again, this area of low pressure will throw some clouds our way, maybe even some showers into western Washington on Thursday. We will cool down a bit to around 80 degrees tomorrow, and by the time we end our work week on Friday, we will get back to mostly sunny skies and seasonal temps with highs again on Friday around 80. And by all means, if you like the cooler weather, enjoy the next couple of days. By the time we get to the weekend, our area of high pressure will really build well up into British Columbia. That will allow all that warm southerly air to move our way. We're talking highs in the upper 80s to kick off our weekend on Saturday. By the time we end the weekend on Sunday, this is the start of the real heat wave. Sunny and very warm with high temperatures in the low to mid 90s, and that goes for almost all of central and eastern Washington. Monday, it gets even hotter. We'll see lots of sunshine once again as our high pressure continues to intensify, and actually this area of low pressure will bring some warmth our way. Monday's highs right around 100 degrees. For Tuesday, we're not going to get much relief. In fact, we're not going to get much relief all of next week. For Tuesday, sunshine all over Washington state, and it's going to be hot once again with highs on Tuesday near 100 degrees. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 60 overnight tonight. Once again, if you like the cooler weather, Thursday and Friday are your days. 80 degrees with breezes both days. Kicking off our weekend, sunshine and 87, and then we get hot. Sunday, sunny and 93, and look at Monday and Tuesday. Sunny both days with high temperatures right around 100. And that's a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.